Welcome to Future Hustle AI, where we break down smart ways to earn using AI tools and side hustles. Pick 1. AI writing, AI design, AI video editing, AI resume building. Focus on one service. For example, use AI writing to create blog posts. Small businesses need content every day. Charge $40 per article. You only need 25 articles in 30 days to hit $1,000. That's less than one per day. Before getting clients, create 3 samples. Use AI tools to generate a blog post, a product description, a social media caption set. Put them in a simple Google Doc. Now you look professional. Go to freelance platforms. Offer your service clearly. AI-powered content, writing for small businesses. Start with competitive pricing. Message 10 to 15 businesses daily. You only need 3 to 4 clients to start momentum. Consistency beats talent. This won't happen overnight, but 30 days of focused effort can change your financial direction. AI is a tool. Your action creates the income. If you're serious about building income with AI, subscribe to Future Hustle AI. Your first $1,000 starts with your first step.